What's up YouTube? Azran back with another Monotype Live. Here we're going to be continuing the ladder on the Monotype ladder using standard Psychic. Basically I just wanted to use Mega Metagross before it gets banned, or if it gets banned. So we got a Mono Bug team. This will be very troublesome because of Golisopod's first impression. So we're going to lead... Actually, it seems like he doesn't have the defogger unless it's Scizor, so we're going to lead with a Jirachi here. Which is perfect because we're Spadef and he decides to send out Vikavolt first. So he goes for the Volt Switch while we go for the rocks. Scizor comes out, that's an obvious defog right there. We'll U-turn, you can either decide to defog or knock off. Or Brutal Swing. He decides to defog. So now I should collect a kill. Or at least some damage. Araquanid comes out. I forgot this Mon does nothing. So we'll go to Slowbro and we'll gain momentum with the eject button. Goes for the liquidation and that immediately sends us back out. So we'll go back out into Victini. We'll see what he wants to do. If he wants the liquidation again or make a switch predicting the Volt Strike, we'll go for a U-turn. Goes for the U-turn play. That lets us bring in our Hoopa. We should be able to live one bullet punch, and Dark Pulse should do a fuck ton. But we crit, so we don't even know if it was Spadef or not. I mean, better for us, but still, kind of sucks. Let's see here. Metagross doesn't do too much in this game. So, we're going to switch out. Leech Life doesn't do too much. I don't think we have any better play than to go for the Meteor Mash. That actually does a decent amount, and we get the attack boost. This Araquanid has Crunch on it. Interesting. And we'll go for a second Meteor Mash. Decides to switch out into Volcarona, hoping to get Flame Body, and it looks like he's successful with it. And now we're going to EQ, and if he roosts, then we go hard into Victini. So he decides to Quiver Dance instead. I don't know if he'll go for the Roost, but I'll EQ here. That's fine. But now I have Victini, which can live any one hit. So I'm going to switch it in and hit him up with a V-Create. Even the Araquanid is not going to like that. So Araquanid goes down, so now we can spam V-Create. Buzzwole comes out. I don't know what I'm doing, what I should do here. I think I'll just go to Jirachi and U-turn. Okay. Will U-turn out. Well, actually, since his defogger is gone, we'll stealth rock up. But he manages to well, it didn't even matter, I wasn't even paying attention to the damage. Huh. Well, now we pray that V-Create finishes the job here. Because Buzzwole is really bulky. But thank goodness it kills. It is V-Create after all, but Vikavolt comes out. I am still faster than this thing, and unless this thing is Sash. So, another one bites the dust. Golisopod comes out. I think Slowbro is the most expendable member at this point. Goes for first impression. It does a fuck ton. We'll go for Toxic just to whittle him down, but he's faster anyway. Huh. I think I think Specs Hoopa is the play. Then again, he'll probably be able to knock us out, which actually blows a lot. You know what? We're gonna go into Victini, and we're just gonna Bolt Strike. Well, no, he's Life Orb, so we're gonna predict his liquidation. Go for a U-turn, and go into Latios. There we go. And now we should go for a Draco, provided we hit. It'll kill him, force him out with emergency exit, and then we can knock out the Volcarona at this range with a Surf, even at -2. That'll end the first battle. Now we'll move on to the next. Oh shit, I have so many tabs open. Get rid of all these. Anyways, we come up against Monobug once again. Huh. That's a little annoying. I have Latios to defog the webs. This team still kind of gets walled by Corona. Aircross is going to be a problem. But he decides to start lead off with Armaldo, which is good for me. So now I can meter match something for free. Maybe Bullet Punch isn't needed on this team, but I don't know. Alright. We'll pick up our momentum here. We'll go into Slowbro. Decides to roost here. I'm just gonna go for the Scald. Actually, would he be carrying Dark Move? Well, we're gonna find out right now. And he does carry Dark Move. So I lose my Scarf. So now Heracross may be an issue. So I go and recreate. Alright. Not wanting to risk the Aqua Jet. We're going to Jirachi. And he decides to straight up EQ. Okay, good play, good play. We'll go for our rocks here. I'll make sure that's Sizzle. Alright, so I'll hire Ironhead once. Just to gain back a little bit of leftovers. Nice flinch, nice flinch. Go for a U-turn here. We'll go out into Hoopa. If he wants to defog them away. Frog gets a kill. Bullet Punch. I don't know if this is offensive or not. Probably isn't with Roost. So I shouldn't die to Bullet Punch here. I still have Healing Wish Jirachi in the back. But wow, 2 Bug Monos already starting off this live. Turn the timer. He's taking quite a while. Just hurry up and make his move. Goes for Bullet Punch. Wow, that actually kills. God damn. So we go into Victini here. I think I've already lost. Bullet Punch. He lives with barely enough HP. He cries. Roll. It says roll. Unfortunate. Heracross comes out. I'll go to Metagross here. Earthquake shouldn't be the play. Earthquake should not be the play because I have a Latios. But, you know, who cares, I guess. Now we go into Latios. He makes the good double into Armaldo. So we're gonna surf here. At this rate, I think Heracross cleans. Actually, not necessarily, because I still have my eject button on my Slowbro, and I can Healing Wish Victini back up, which is a really good thing, actually. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're going to Slowbro. Get the eject button boost off. Now we're going to Jirachi. We should live a Mega Horn. And now we Healing Wish. So it takes a fuck ton because of that. And now we go back into Victini the monster. And go for another Recreate. Volcarona dies. Thank goodness, thank goodness. Fuck that roll. I mean, you've got Bug Mono. I think Mega Horns here, that's okay, because then I can live one after he kills me. And then he's further in range. Oh, but no, he's not Moxie. Which is good for me. Very good for me. Is Bullet punching the play? I think we'll go to metagross. So if Mega Horn does like 73% to 350, I don't know how much HP he has. I should live here, and Meteor Mash is the play here. Buzzwole comes out. I miss Meteor Mash, unfortunately. Good thing though, we'll get another kill. We'll get another kill with Victini. He decides to bulk up. Ooh. So, probably Zen Headbutt is the play here. He's probably going to recover some of that back up. That's not fun. That's not fun. That's not fun. A crit did 68. I guess I'm sacking metagross at this point. I think I've lost. Well, actually, maybe he's banded? I get the attack boost, which is nifty. 15 should kill this Mon right here. The most optimal thing for me here is if he goes into Galvantula, and he lives, so that's a GG at this point, I think. Jesus. Ooh. A little salty, are we not? Go for a surf here. That should kill. Well, if he misses Mega Horn, I think I win. But he doesn't. Oh, GG. Oh, really? A little salty motherfucker. About his goddamn roll. He already had the advantage in the matchup, but whatever. So this team is really weak to Bug, the way I designed it. But I'm not really familiar with generic Psychic. Oh, a favorable matchup. Well, not necessarily, because Muck still exists. So, Nihilego will probably be a decent lead on his part, so we're going to go out of metagross. Toxapex comes out, and it's a balloon Toxapex. Fabulous. Fabulous. Probably set up T-Spikes here. No, he decides to Scald first. I'm going straight for the Iron Head to break his balloon and damage anything that wants to come in. Actually, if I just wanted damage, I'm afraid of the Muck coming in and then Pursuit Trapping my Jirachi and whittling it. Slowbro and metagross for Scolipede to avoid him sweeping. He decides to go straight into Scolipede, which is actually fine with me. Put Iron Head here, Mega Horn. A lot, that does a fuck ton. Yeah, do I need this? Do I need this Pokemon? Healing Wish is always good, so I'm gonna eject button. I know I live. Eject button into metagross, and pray that Bullet Punch KOs. For a Psychic Monotype, I actually have a lack of Psychic Stab on this team. It's kind of unfortunate. Only Hoopa and Victini actually have Psychic Stab. So I gotta play around with the Muck. Poison has become really viable this gen, thanks to Nihilego and Muck alone. Alright, Toxapex decides to pop its ugly head again, so... Latios is insignificant. Actually, yeah. We'll go into Hoopa. We'll trick here, because we can take the balloon, or we can get the Muck's Assault Vest, which is what I'm assuming is going to happen, but no, he decides he wants to stay and die to a Psychic, apparently. I'm going to Side Shock. Ah, that's a useless Toxapex, at least. So he decides to T-Spike, actually. So he's locked into that move. So I'll just go into metagross. I've yet to have a neutral quote-unquote fight this live. Oh, that's why. No timer. Gotta remember to keep turning this thing on. Alright, out comes metagross. Switch expected to Muck. Knockoff will probably do laughable damage. And Earthquake will do a lot. Excellent. Well, that's not necessarily laughable, but we'll go for a Bullet Punch to stop his Shadow Sneak. That Nihilego being Scarfed might be a problem. But it has to go, well, the metagross walls Nihilego's move pool, because the only thing it could damage it with reliably would be an electric type attack. Out comes Venusaur, so we'll see what he wants to do here. I think the most valuable member to Healing Wish would definitely be metagross at this point. So we'll go into Jirachi and just... we'll go with one Iron Head. Actually, we'll see what he decides to do. Hidden Power Fire. Yeah. So now we're going to be scum and we're going to keep clicking Iron Head. If Toxapex decides to come out, then we'll Healing Wish into metagross and go from there. Crobat is his play. I could defog right here. I'm assuming that's what's probably going to happen. Or he can Roost. Ah, he decides to U-turn, which is good for me, so then we can see what his intentions are. Nihilego comes out. That's good. So then metagross comes back in, and he's leftovers, which means we can go safely for the earthquake. Not gonna risk meteor mash. Venusaur comes out. Well, now we have to hit a meteor mash. And we connect. So now Venusaur is gone. Not like it was that much of a threat. And yes, there's the forfeit. Once he let the Muck get weakened by an EQ, it was over. Dark. Damn. Alright. Well, we have no dark switching either. We'll lead off with Victini here. Bisharp comes out. That's fine with me. I'll trade. I'll trade. But he's Sash, unfortunately. And this motherfucker wants to rock polish. So Hoopa's good for Greninja. Amanda Buzz. Latios is a ground resist. I need metagross. I like Victini as well. Is Jirachi our sack? I guess he's our sack. We'll go for rocks just in case. And for some reason he fucking decides to go and use Sucker Punch. So now we're gonna Iron Head. Watch him using knockoff and we're faster. Oh wait, he's supposed to come back. Oh, well, this is a good reason why we have Bullet Punch on this Mon. So now we'll go straight for the Bullet Punch. But yeah, he's still faster. Can't keep forgetting. Alright. We'll test the waters. We'll see how much Ice Punch does. That does a lot. Rocky Helmet does a lot to us also. So Ice Punching is probably not the play here. Meteor Mashing is. It might kill at this range. Just want to get some chip damage off on, say, something like Greninja, if Greninja wants to take advantage. Start the timer. Yep, Meteor Mash kills, thankfully enough. So this thing comes out, but I can eject button out with its Scarf, knock off does laughable damage, but he knocked off my eject button. This shouldn't kill me. As long as I have Slowbro, Crocodile will be kept in check. Greninja comes out. Knockoff did that much, Earthquake will do laughable damage, so I don't need Latios anymore. And it's Protean, thank goodness. So I can just go here, safely for a Surf here. Decides to Water Shuriken instead. Oh, good thing he showed me that, so I won't take any chip damage on Victini. And do we Focus Blast on the Dark Pulse, or... But yeah, we have to Focus Blast. He decides to Gunk Shot. That actually does a fuck ton. That's actually a decent play on his part. Ugh, that's gross. That's gross. Good play, though. Good play. Forgot these things carry Gunk Shot. So we're gonna Bullet Punch here. And, you know, I forget Water Shuriken exists. Fuck. So, we're going to Scarf Victini. He'll probably Water Shuriken. I hope he doesn't Dark Pulse. There we go to Life Orb stall. Incineroar comes out, which is actually really great for us. So we're gonna T-Wave this thing. Oh, it's Bulk Up, unfortunately. So now we have to Scald. Now we gotta watch out for this thing's dark moves. I need this thing healthy enough to take on Crocodile too. That's the problem. And then I need Victini to last long enough so that V-Crates can wipe out Mega Sableye. So Scald does a lot. He decides to bulk up a second time for some reason. So Scald, thank goodness, is going to 2-hit KO. Sableye comes out. We're going to Scald once to see if he's Mega. He is indeed Mega. He's going to Calm Mind here. I'm sure he's probably going to recover at this point. Oh, Will-O-Wisp, even better. So this should kill. And Crocodile comes out, and Slowbro should wall for days, unless it's SD. So yes, knockoff does laughable damage. So we'll boost twice in case crits happen. Should be GG. I mean, if he crits here, I could lose. Oh no, I can't. I have Scarf Victini. So, yeah. It's GG. And now, we get another battle. Rock Polish Bishop. And we have another Poison Mono. No Toxapex though. No Nihilego. Two things that I believe should be essential on all Poison teams. But then again, that makes Poison super generic, because I feel like Venusaur is essential, Mux essential. And if you add Toxapex and Nihilego to the mix, then it just becomes, what are your last two? So, afraid of the Salazzle lead. So we'll start off with Victini. Lowland Muck comes to the fray here. Scarf Victini, how important are you? How important are you? I have Hoopa, I guess, to wall Salazzle, or take one hit from Salazzle. But, no worries now. Crit, that's unfortunate. Here comes the Salazzle. We're going to Jirachi. Ah, so it's either offensive Toxic, or, yeah, it's offensive Toxic. Interesting. So we go for U-turn here. We go straight into Victini, and now that his Dark type is gone, we can just freely Zen Headbutt. He protects. I think it's going to save you at this point, and yeah, he forfeits. Let's get something neutral like water, electric, grass, dragon, fairy, something that's not dark, ghosted. Well, neutral in the sense that both not very effective against each other. So, Scarf Victini is the lead here. He has a Silvally, which means his team's probably ass, because Silvally's actually pretty bad. I guess it can Parting Shot, and it has like T-Wave, and you don't know what the fuck it runs, but other than that, it's very underwhelming, whether it's physical, special. Maybe as a utility mon, it's not that bad, I don't know. I don't think I'll use it. So he's running down this timer. Taking quite a while here. Finally, Tina comes out. So this is a Metacham. It'll die to V-Create. I'm not gonna risk any bullshit of him staying in. It's fine with me. He can do that. That's okay. Delphox doesn't have really a move to. Oh yeah, he has Shadow. Got him so bad. And I had a Hoopa right there, just sitting there. I'm like, metagross comes out. It's wonderful. It seriously is, because we can go to Slowbro, take the hit, eject button out, and go back into Scarf Victini. Beautiful, beautiful. Recreate should do the job here. If he wants to go Star Me to take the hit, then I'll go straight Jirachi. It's fine with me. Go Jirachi. UT bolts. I don't know what kind of Star Me that is, but I'm gonna Stealth Rock and force you to Rapid Spin. Well, he doesn't want to, so hopefully I'm slower than this thing, but I'm not. So, I need this. We'll go into this. SD. SD. Is it priority? SD. Multi-attack or something. There we go. And so volley goes down. Like I said, ass Pokemon. Hoopa comes out. I don't really need this. And okay, so that confirms that he is not Scarf, which is good because I can just go for a free U-turn with my Victini. So Medicham rears its ugly head here, which means a nice switch for my Metagross to come in. Starmie wants to switch in, he didn't recover, so it probably will get KO'd by the combination of Bullet Punch, Mach Punch, or Meteor Mash, and Rocks. Meteor Mash comes out. I don't know why people are using regular Medicham on the ladder. I always keep forgetting that Mega Medicham is unreleased, but Medicham is not really great. So we'll go into Jirachi, our designated wall for this Mon. So now U-turn, even if he burns, that's okay, but he doesn't. So now we get the kill. We go into Metagross, Victini, and wrap things up. As we saw earlier, that Hoopa isn't scarfed. Even if it was scarfed, what am I saying? Yeah, Victini cleans. Yeah. U-turn here. And he forfeits. We'll move on to the next battle. Somebody's like, I'm invincible in Gen 6.0. Gen 6.0 use dead though. And we have Ghost. Ghost this time. Interesting. Well, he has no spinner of sorts, so Rocks will be very helpful this game. Mimikyu comes out. This Pokemon is actually not as bad of a threat as it seems, because we'll go here, we'll bust its disguise. Besides, it used Red Card and it used Trick Room on me. Interesting. Good stuff. Good stuff. I can use this still later. So we're going to Slowbro here. This is play rough, which is good. Because now I get the nice and juicy eject button. Metagross display. 4 turns. Yeah, we'll go to Metagross. We can healing wish it back up later. Go for Meteor Mash. Decides to go for a Shadow Sneak when he could have Shadow Claw. Not my life. We're still sort of at the bottom of the ladder, so that's a Hellfire and a Chill or something like that. Slowbro is our switch in for this. He T-punches. That does a fuck ton, actually. Jellicent comes out. That's fine with me. I'll happily Toxic this in exchange for my dead Slowbro. But it's a Giga Drain Jellicent. Nice, nice, nice. Go into Jirachi, set up rocks. Trick Room comes out again. He needs more offensive power for his Trick Room. Mimikyu is not really immediate offensive power. It takes an SD before it's even scary. Like, Marowak is a good choice. Chandelure is a good choice too. Delmice? Gengar's too slow. Oh, this is actually gonna get a slow U-turn off. So Marowak gets to come out. We'll slack off, because we're faster. Decides to T-punch. We'll Scald here. I don't know why he isn't going for Shadow Bone. I have no switch-ins. That's a little ladder for you. Chandelure comes out. Do I want to save this just in case Golurk gets out of hand? This thing might Trick Room in my face. It's okay. Energy Ball instead of, my team, which doesn't have fucking Ghost Resist. But okay. Metagross comes out. Jellicent. I wonder if Jellicent dies to Earthquake. I doubt it will. Shit. Gengar comes out. Sacrilegious. HP Fire. Shadow Ball. Oh. That was one weird game. Hopefully we get something decent on this. I think we'll do 2 more. I think I'll end it there. Rockmon. Okay, something new. I like this. This is fine. This is perfectly fine with me. Gigalith is probably going to be his lead of choice to get up the sand or Tyranitar. Either way. Lycanroc. Lycanroc. We might taunt, so we're going to Iron Head first. I'm going to Rocks here. He decides to Crunch, which is perfect. It's Life Orb also, which is a perfect turn. So I get up my Rocks, and I get to kill the Lycanroc. If you aren't lead Lycanroc, if you're offensive, then why did you put Rocks on him? You have a Golem right there, just staring you in the face. Let's see here. Slowbro, the designated switch-in. Oh, but he decides to pursue. Good play, good play. That's fine with me. But then, that's actually shitty because then he eject buttons me out. So hopefully he fears the Scarf. And then I'm gonna go for a U-turn. And if he doesn't, actually, can we risk that? Is it, can we risk? I don't think we can risk that. Yeah, I don't think we can risk that. 'Cause then he'll be in range of bullet punch if he switches out. Yeah, this is okay. This is okay. And I have a switching. This is not a switching, but double edge. God damn, that does a fuck ton. I wonder if he has sucker punch. I hope he doesn't have sucker punch. That must be annoying. So he goes down to the surf. Nihilego is fine, is in check. Metagross finishes off the rest of his team. Tyranitar decides to come out. That screams Scarf. Alright, residual damage for me. Free residual damage. Oh, it's D-Dance. Huh. We go Victini. Will you turn? If it doesn't kill, we go to Slowbro. Well, now we can go into Metagross. Because Aerodactyl dies. Gigalith takes a fuck ton. But why even take the EQ when I can just eject button out with Slowbro? Yeah, no point in taking the EQ. Because he's gonna live probably medium mash, so we'll get some chip damage off on him with Dark Pulse. Eject button Slowbro is kind of cool. It just keeps up the momentum for a team that is offensive like this one. Stone Edge. Alright, now he should die from Meteor Mash at this range. And even if Nihilego's Scarf, he doesn't have anything to touch me with. Like, unless it's like a crit Thunder Parahax. It's a game. Just a forfeit. How high are we on the ladder right now? 1354. Had a little bit more losses than I was testing out a bug team earlier. It was kind of bad. So we're climbing up there. Another poison. Another poison. Salazzle, do I fear it? Do I fear it? No, I don't. That's good. That's good for me. He shouldn't stay in. So they probably want to go to like Toxapex to wall or something. I'll go for the EQ here. Oh my goodness, he decides to Super Fang. That's not good at all. Not good at all. So that's Super Fang again. An Ice Punch to kill him. It's okay. Tried to flex on him. Not my Scarf Nihilego. Oh, no, I still have Jirachi. I still have Jirachi. It's all good in the hood. T-Bolt. T-Bolt, but that might not be so hard. We're just gonna go straight away in Healing Wish. We're not going to risk any bullshit. We're going to Metagross right here, because this is our win con. We'll go Hoopa right now. Baneful Bunker comes out. And from what I see, he has no Muck, no Drapion, no nothing, so Side Shock is the way to go. There's a burn, unfortunately. It's probably a Baneful Bunker, but it's okay, I'll get a kill after that. No Baneful Bunker. Wow. At this range, Nihilego can't kill us, so if it decides to come in, that would be great. Toxicroak. Does he Sucker Punch here? Probably. We'll go Slowbro and Eject Button. If he SDs, that's my own fault. Besides the Drain Punch. That's good. Going to Victini. From what I see, he has nose and headbutt switches. And we have a forfeit. This live has had too many forfeits in it. I guess Psychic Mono is OP. Ah, finally, Electric. Electric, but with no Magnezone. Huh. Where is your Dragon Resist? I guess your Dragon Resist is Raichu outspeeding and killing them off with Ice Beam, question mark? So, Tapu Koko. We'll lead off with the Jirachi. So he's gonna Volt Switch. We'll get up our rocks and force the Zapdos to come in and defog. God, that does a lot. Electivire comes out. This is good. Once again, we're going to Eject Button Slowbro for the momentum. The momentous momentum. He's Life Orb. Which is good. Good signal for us. Because Rotom is going to be extremely bothersome to this team. We'll go Latios. We'll go Latios. Get a kill here. If I went Victini, I would have to like, V-create or U-turn. Predict. And then the Rotom might come out. Golem is the Mon of the hour right now. So he decides to Rock Polish. If he double edges, that might be a little meh. Return does a shitload. Holy shit. 207. 328. Yeah, I don't think he's faster. But I like absolutely 100% need Victini Hoopa to break the Rotom. So we'll go into Metagross here. There's no electric terrain. I don't think EQ knocks me out anymore, so we'll go for an EQ ourselves. Decides to explode. That's fine with me. That's fine with me. Kill for kill. And then we're going to Victini, because if he wants to go to Tapu Koko, he's going to be forced to switch out some more into his Rotom to take this V-Create to the chest. And now there's no more terrain for Alola and Raichu to spam, so we'll sack Jirachi here. Good, because we sack it to the Super Z move of death. Going to Latios. Attain a kill with Draco Meteor, because can't knock us out with anything. Psychic does nothing. Draco comes out, we die. He dies. Rotom comes out. Yeah, Hoopa's no switch. He Wisps, not big deal. Hit him with a Specs Dark Pulse. Wow, actually didn't do that much. Another Dark Pulse. Says to defog. Well, couldn't have done anything unless he's like Signal Beams Zapdos. So that's a GG. Is this Penguin? Let's see. No, he's pretty bad. You know what? One more, then we'll end it. And we end up facing Quagsire off balance. Quagsire balance. Well, one of these two right here. Forfeit? No. 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 One more battle. God damn it. Bug with Rabombi. Rabombi offense. We'll go to Galvanish. Yeah, he doesn't have a way to get these hazards off the field, so if he wants to sticky web, that's all in good. But Rocks is gonna hurt you every turn. Thunder. No para. God bless. Adios. Pray Draco Meteor hits. Does. And with a crit. Pinsir might be annoying, but he doesn't. Yeah, like, what are you? HP ground? Nothing. What special attack does Rabombi have? Not much. Heracross is most likely to come out at this point. But instead he chooses Shuckle, which is good for me, because then I can get off the defog here. I don't know what he wants to do. Let's see. Decides to Rocks. I'll surf here. Toxic, that's perfectly fine with me. We'll defog here. We'll probably infestate. Yep, he's going to infestate. That's okay though, because another surf should knock him out. There we go. And now if Heracross comes out, we go back into the original plan of Slowbro. If Slowbro dies, then that means Heracross is banned. Pinsir comes out. Do I want to give him this Moxie kill? I don't I? I still have my scarf. What do I have? Yeah, I don't want him to get his Moxie kill. So we'll meter mash here. Scissor comes out. Then we can eject button. We can eject button on him. That's fine. Oh, and we freeze him. That actually blows pretty fucking hard. Actually, what's the play here? We'll sack Latios. And then we'll go to Hoop. I don't want to go Victinian and risk my win con against the Scarf Heracross. Because if I V-create his pincer, and then if I V-create the scissor, and then pincer comes out, it's a 50-50 whether he SDs. Well, metagross doesn't die to any one thing, so what the fuck am I saying? God, I'm bad at Pokemon. Surf comes out, crit, freeze, so much hacks on this guy. So we saw the reject button attack. Hoopa comes out. Free Dark Pulse. Pincer wants to come in, so be it. Alright, pick someone. Pick someone. Both of them outspeed my Hoopa. It's taking such a long time. Yeah. I guess I hate waiting for people who just stall now. They're like down to their last pokes. So annoying. Pincer comes out finally. Can you hurry up and click return? I live. Nice. That's just perfect. Then I can just go into metagross. Ice Punch, Meteor Mash, and win the game. Come on, got one Pokemon left. I have a Scarfer. I think it's over. Here we are taking forever and a half. Well, yeah. Well, you guys know what's gonna happen, so yeah, I'm gonna end it right here because he's just taking forever. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Yeah. You know, the YouTube bullshit, the usual stuff for content creators. Yeah. Alright. See you guys for the next live.